When creating tasks in issue tracking, users can assign an individual or a group to the task. If I take a quick look at an executive task, you can see here the option to assign this task to an individual or a group of people. Users can choose the group option if the task needs to be performed by a particular staff role, or they can select an individual if that is more appropriate. To assign users and groups, navigate to Issue Tracking Setup. We'll look at assigning individuals first because this impacts how you can assign users to groups. Click on Assignees. It's a simple process of adding individual users to this list so that they appear in the available assignees when creating tasks. To add a new assignee, click Add. Enter the name or title here. You don't need to link the individual to a Sentral user account, however this is recommended. Then click Save. You can also use the import option if you need to import a larger number of users in one go. Make your selection using the checkboxes and click Import. Next, we'll look at assignee groups. I can navigate there with this menu. This is very similar to Assignees. As you might expect, you create a group and then assign individuals to it. Just be mindful of this though. You need to enter a group name before clicking Add Group. Otherwise, you'll create a new group with no name, which could be a bit confusing. I'll call this one Sample Group. Then I'll add a couple of individuals to it. Click Edit Members. Notice that I can only add users who have been added as assignees from the previous menu. I mentioned that these two menu options were related to each other at the start of this video. Make your selection, click Save, and then click Back. And there you can see the sample group with assigned individuals. Let's quickly see what that looks like to the user. I'll create another executive task, just because that's the first one listed. And there you can see both the individual and the group I just created.